Hey folks, Peter Crump from Bob Pedler Real Estate. I'm down on my latest listing right now at 1021 Howard Avenue, close to all the shops and great restaurants on Erie Street, sitting right around the corner. 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom for now, but potential to put another bathroom in the basement. Backyard here, patio. You could do so much with this house to make it your own. If you're a first-time home buyer, give me a call at 519-919-3506 and let's make it yours today.